Hey guys, today I'm going to do a review on the Dermablend Professional Intense Powder Camo in Intense Beige. So this is what it looks like. It is a pressed powder. I purchased mine from Shoppers Drugmart in Canada. I believe it retailed for around $38 Canadian. So you do get a mirror in the packaging. You also flip it up, and I believe it comes with a sponge that you can apply the powder, although I prefer to go for brushes. So looking up the product on their website, it says it is a buildable coverage mattifying powder foundation. It gives you about medium pigmentation, best for redness, uneven skin tone, acne scars. It's shine proof, buildable, a soft feel powder. It is matte, 12 hours, good for normal to oily skin. You can use a brush or intensify with a sponge. So it's a buildable, sheer to full coverage powder foundation for all day wear. This pressed powder provides a matte finish and is safe for sensitive skin. So my skin type falls into that category for sure, which is why I was really drawn to this product. So I do have combination oily skin, and it is very sensitive. I don't have redness from sensitivity, but I do get breakouts. If I wear a foundation or a powder that my skin doesn't agree with, I will literally get pimples throughout the day wearing that product. This powder has not irritated my skin. I've worn it every day, literally for the past 3 or 4 months with no irritation, which is great. So I have worn this 2 ways. I have worn it to set my liquid foundation, which lately I wear foundation maybe once or twice a week, so not too much. When I was working as a makeup artist, I would have liquid foundation on probably 5 or 6 days a week. Also when I used to work in spas, 5 or 6 days a week, but now I'm trying to kind of take it easy, let my skin breathe, kind of trying to embrace a more natural look. I'm in school right now for makeup, so I'm just kind of trying to let my skin breathe as much as I can. What I really like about this powder is that it does give me that medium coverage, so I don't feel like I need to put concealer on or too many other products. I do get quite an even and smooth finish. I do find that this lasts many hours throughout the day. I do have to blot, sometimes reapply a powder, maybe after 6 or 7 hours, but I do get really nice coverage and I am really happy with it. I have also gotten compliments on that my skin looks nice, which is always very sweet, especially when you don't have like a liquid foundation on providing a lot of coverage. So to apply this product, I will either use a smaller powder brush like this one from Smashbox that came in a set. So something like this, I feel like I can get a little bit more coverage and I do apply in smaller sections. Or I'll use a large kabuki brush. This gives me, you know, it covers a large surface area, so it's really quick for applying product in the morning. And I will generally just apply it over my moisturizer once my moisturizer has soaked into my skin, and that's been it for my face makeup. So this powder has been really great. I am really surprised that I haven't hit pan on it because I have used it every day for months. So you do get 13.5 grams, which is a large powder. Most of the times when you get a pressed powder, you'll usually get 7 to 9 grams of product, so this has been great. And I do find that a little bit of product does go a long way and give me a lot of coverage. Now the color is just a little bit more yellow, a little bit more warm in the shade Intense Beige. So I find that's okay. I think it'll suit my skin great in the summer months when I have a little bit more warmth and a little bit more color to my skin. But I find applying it lightly, it's great. It does give me a slightly warmer complexion. It just makes me look more fresh and awake, but that's just applying it lightly. If I do apply it too much, like packing it on with a sponge, the color would be quite obvious. So that is something to keep in mind. But sometimes if my foundation has been too fair or too cool toned, a little bit too pink, applying this powder just balances it out and makes everything look really nice. So that is my review. I do really like this powder. It is a little bit more on the pricey side, but it's been really great for my sensitive, oily skin. A little bit of product goes a really long way, which has been great. So I do think this is a powder worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in my next video.